Hello, Mrs. Amy Winn, and this video is for preparing for the Monday lesson that I'll be there to your class. I would like to tell you thank you for your very informative email. I really like it. Number two, I'd like to thank you for you gave me the permission to use your email to produce the video. Now, your email say you are 5th grade teacher, you have about 20 students in your class, and your issue is instead doing their independent work, they just sit and talk and do not get anything accomplished. Even after several warning and much redirection, they will talk right over an adult during instruction as well. So your challenge, your question to me is this behavior something you might be able to help address? My response is, of course, absolutely I can. Anything, everything is possible because human potential is unlimited. However, it is not a problem of your class only. Perhaps it is a problem of the everywhere. Then here's some suspicions rise up. How am I sure about that? It can be addressed to solve if this big problem has been many decades, has been many years all along. That's true. It is a very big challenge and task. So what do we need? Number one, commitment to solve the problem. Human life is challenge of every day is a problem. Every day we need to solve the problem. So therefore, we must have a commitment. We must solve this problem soon as we can. Number two, we need to have a problem solving skill. What that is, it's number one, identify the problem. What really is and why. Number two, how we're going to do it. What is the strategy? Number three, how long it will take to solve when we're going to get it done. Of course, we need to address from the Monday. Yet, when we're going to get it done, it takes a little longer. So here, identify the problem. They don't have the ability to working independently and motivation. As your email again said that they often just sit and talk and do not get anything accomplished because they don't have ability to independent work. That's right. Then here, question is this: what caused them not to be an independent learner or worker? Question two, what will be ratio of independent worker versus not independent worker in adult job market? So answer one, perhaps never been taught how to be an independent learners and worker. Answer number two, very few become an independent worker, maybe 20 verse 80. Then why very few? Of course, there is too many answers could be, but let's just start from this proposition. Human being is product of environment. There's many research already has been done. It is true. So question, what environmental or cultural influence hindered the development of independent learners and workers? In my opinion, listening and following the direction. Then you may say, what? If a student and worker not listening, not following direction, how are we going to get our job done? I agree, yet let's bring this 2 point. Listening has two different meaning. Number one is hear me carefully so you can get the idea and feeling that I'm sending you. If that is the case, so think about it. If my mom and dad tell me do this or do that, don't do this, don't do that, you know what my response could be? Let me think about it. That's amazing. No children will ever can say that to the teacher or mom and dad. Why? Because we never use the listening as that kind of meaning. And you all know that listening means do it as I ordered or demand. That's right. And that is why a listening is really bad. And we should think about it. Then why? Because result of do it as ordered promoting the submission. If someone have submissive attitude, how do they become independent worker or learner? That is why they are not independent learner. And we produce too many robots. Now then, what is the strategy? Number one, build an attitude of independency. Number two, develop the skill to how to work. Number three, promote self-motivation attitude. Then how we're going to get it done? And answer nicely, answer on time, we'll do it. I explained psychological, philosophical meaning behind that in Mr. Chairman's video last week. So please refer that. Well then, what is this will do is create a culture in the classroom. I will say a good teacher must know how to create psychological mechanism in the classroom that regulate a human behavior, students' behavior. In other words, this will promote or create a cultural structure in your class. Promote a self-learner and independent worker. And how long will it take it to solve this problem? Until they build a habit or lifestyle. Perhaps many years with right method. That's correct. With right method. With wrong method, wrong cultural influence. Doesn't matter how many years, it will produce negative result. Thank you.